According to Michael Porter, strategies allow organizations to gain competitive advantage from three different bases.
1. Cost leadership, 2. Differentiation, and 3. Focus.
In this video, we will try to understand the cost leadership strategy using the Ad Deccan model. Welcome to Prati CA. My name is Hari and this is our new series Explica. The cost leadership strategy aims at the broad mass market.
It needs a vigorous pursuit of cost reduction in areas of procurement, production, storage, and distribution. Only a small section of the Indian population uses air travel. In a 2017 article, the SpiceJet CEO claims that only 2 to 3% of Indians fly. The aviation regulator DGCA Stats says that the air traffic for 2019 was 144 million as opposed to a staggering 8 billion travelers on rail travel. Please note that most of these would be repetitive travelers. Now, Captain Gopinath was a visionary who believed that even if 5% of these Indians who travel by train used flights, it would amount to nearly 530 million air travelers a year.
And for me, the vision was that every Indian must fly.
The low-cost flight model was made possible by a vigorous pursuit of cost reduction. The captain was inspired by Michael O'Leary, the CEO of Ryanair, a company that was a pioneer in low-cost air travel. The Deccan Airlines opted for ATR flights. Since the then aviation rules prescribed only one air hostess per 50 passengers, they opted for only one in-flight air hostess. Unlike traditional flights, food and beverages were not supplied free of cost on the flights. The legroom too was reduced to accommodate more seats.
Cost leadership should be generally pursued along with the differentiation strategy.
The company also used internet to book e-tickets with the aid of Interglobe Technology Quotient, a software service startup, thereby breaking the existing model that was heavily dependent on ticketing agents. They also set up kiosks at petrol bunks and Reliance Web World retail stores to sell in-person tickets. This emphasis on e-ticketing helped them save approximately 4 rupees per ticket in terms of printing costs. The increased flying time also promoted efficient usage of the flights.
The IGT software company that took care of ticketing at Air Deccan went on to start their own company, Indigo Airlines. Well, more about them later.
All these measures helped Deccan reduce the ticket price by over 30%. This helped them set up a dynamic pricing strategy.
टिकट वाला வெறும் ₹1.
To achieve cost leadership, we need a proper action plan.
1. We need to forecast demand of the product or service. The American model led the way for the establishment of a low-cost airlines in India.
For millions of Indians, flying is no longer a dream. Air Deccan.
2 is optimum resource utilization. As we all know, Deccan opted for low-cost ATR flights over Airbuses. They also connected many Tier 2 cities to which the existing operators were not flying. In fact, their first airline launched in 2003, connecting Bangalore and Hubli. Three is achieving economies of scale. This was achieved by increasing the flying time for their flights as well as by increasing the flight occupancy. 4 is standardized product or service. Deccan allotted e-tickets rather than print tickets. In fact, the flights never had any business or economy class differences.
We just said that you buy a ticket, there are no seats, like in a train, third class, buy the ticket, first come, first served, you go and sit where you want. So people loved it.
The last point is cost saving technology. We already saw that Deccan tied up with IGT for e-tickets and also set up kiosks for issuing print tickets rather than depending on agents. They also came up with unique schemes to attract customers to fly regularly.
The advantages of cost leadership are as follows.
1. Competitors are likely to avoid a price war. This was even more difficult in this case because the existing model favored premium pricing and adopting a low-cost option would need a radical revamp of their existing businesses. 2. Powerful buyers would not be able to exploit the cost leader. Now, Air Deccan focused on the middle and lower class. Their aim was to ensure that the common man flies. 3. Cost leaders are able to absorb greater price changes before increasing their selling price.
Now, there's an interesting story in this regard about the launch of Deccan Logistics. The Air Deccan had a flight from Delhi to Kolkata that suffered from an engine failure. We all know that the Deccan flights are overused, so engine failures are things that are not very uncommon. Luckily, the team had a spare engine at Delhi.
However, they were surprised to find that there were no good domestic charters to ship the engine from Delhi to Kolkata. They ended up sending the engine from Delhi to Singapore and from there back to Kolkata, leading to a 6-day disruption in their operations. This prompted a vertical integration and the Camted ended up launching a domestic logistics company. Finally, low-cost leaders cannot be easily substituted. Now Captain Gopinath created a revolution by endeavoring to make the common man fly.
The following are the disadvantages of cost leadership strategy.
1. Competitors may also follow the cost reduction technique. 2. Cost leadership can succeed only if the firm achieves higher sales volume. And 3. Technology changes are a great threat to the cost leader. Now we already know that IGT, the ticketing software company for Air Deccan, went on to launch their own company, Indigo. This led to severe data loss for the company, huge customer inconvenience, and several cancellations. Deccan's payment partner bank also created issues with their payment gateway. Finally came the merger with Kingfisher Airlines, which failed eventually.
I have with me Captain Gopinath, who does look a touch disappointed after Vijay Mallya announced that they're doing away of Kingfisher Red, the company that he sold as Air Deccan. So your first thoughts when you heard the news?
Yeah, I was disappointed and hurt.
The Kingfisher merger derailed Air Deccan from the cost leader model, and this led to the collapse of this visionary venture which aimed to make the common man fly.
Now, with the UDAN scheme, the RCS flights, and the amendments of the aviation laws, we have to wait and see whether a possible second innings is on the cards for the captain. Thanks for watching. We hope you liked our video. If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave them below. Subscribe to our channel for more such CA related explainer videos.